today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that uh, on your PUBG mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. You just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here, click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. So you just switch into open video like this here. Then in here can you're looking for PUBG mobile app, just click on search, add here PUBG mobile app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here PUBG mobile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here, click on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.